We're just pretty much building some of the nicest mini trucks out there right now. Mini trucks you're gonna find pretty much all over the world, but it is very strong in the Southern California region. It's an expression of oneself, but everyone's competing with someone else at the same time too.
It kicks ass.
Bed dancing, an automotive trend born in the late 80s. Small pickups beds would be installed on hydraulics and would dance at competitions and shows. With the craze now making a comeback, these guys are leading the charge.
We're in Ontario, California at Hoppos Custom Suspension Works. We have been operating for over 30 years. My dad, he's the original owner. We're just kind of following in his footsteps now. For sure, 100% California still holds it down for custom vehicles. Hoppos offers a hydraulic air suspension. We're one of the main manufacturers in Southern California for the hydraulic equipment. We manufacture the product for the dancing beds, the hydraulics, the cylinders, all the pumps, the components for all that, and we ship it worldwide.
And with 2 generations of experience, Hoppos are more than qualified to produce some of the finest custom builds.
We originally started in the mini truck world. Today the trucks are starting to boom again. Luckily we had the knowledge from back then. Now we're just pretty much building some of the nicest mini trucks out there right now. Dancing bed is the bed of the truck going up in what they call a dancing motion. So you got a tilt back, you got a diamond, which is the left side, diamond right side, and you got reverse dump. So all that is just the functions of the actual bed itself moving around. You'll see very specific stuff across these trucks to where you look at it and you probably wouldn't, nowadays you wouldn't even catch it as a custom item, but back in the late 80s and early 90s, that was like the thing to have. It's an expression of oneself, but everyone's competing with someone else at the same time too. They definitely push each other. Mini trucks you're gonna find pretty much all over the world, but it is very strong in the Southern California region.
And for the owners, these highly personalized vehicles are way more than just a truck.
My name's Jose, this is my wife Bertha. Her truck is a 1985 hot pink king cab. She wanted a truck, bought her a truck. She wanted a pink, so we looked through pinks and we found a House of Color hot pink pearl, which we like. She wanted hearts in the interior to match the lace in the paint job. So we got hearts, had them embroidered, found a way of doing it. Old school tube grill that I found at a pick apart, had it redone, re-chromed, put it on.
And the quest for perfection will involve time, effort, and cash.
From getting it running right, took about 2 years to do. The paint job itself, it's about $10,000. $1,600 for the mural. Interior, $3,000. Hydraulics, $5,000. All the chroming involved, $4,000.
Every guy's dream that was in the 80s, this is what everyone wanted, was dancing beds.
And if all these satisfied customers are anything to go by, Hoppos must be doing something right.
It kicks ass.
People always see our trucks at car shows and they always have a smile on their face. I really don't want to say the price because my wife's standing next to me.
I have enjoyed this truck like there's no tomorrow.
What does it for me is when we participate in parades and seeing the little kids' faces. It's like a transformer to them. A lot of compliments. People love the color. People love the graphics. They love the mural. It's fun. It's definitely fun.
With so much enthusiasm for these crazy customs, it looks like bed dancing is back for good.